How to fix sharing name and photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. Here, scroll down and turn on the iMessage feature as shown. iMessage uses wireless data to send messages between Apple devices. Scroll down and tap on Share Name and Photo. Over here, turn on the Name and Photo sharing feature. You can also choose who you want to share with. For example, contacts only. Updated name, photo, and poster will now be automatically shared with people in your contacts. After that, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily fix sharing name and photo on iPhone.